Garbage disposal not draining properly? You gotta fix that fast or your kitchen's gonna turn into a total mess. Alright, here's the deal. First, always make sure you clean your garbage disposal regularly, like at least once a week. Toss in some ice cubes and rock salt, then run cold water while grinding. That helps scrub the blades and gets rid of gunk. If your disposal's jammed, don't just force it. Use an Allen wrench to manually turn the motor from underneath. Next, check for clogs in the drain lines by removing the trap under your sink and clearing out any stuck debris. Pour a mix of baking soda and vinegar down the drain to break up grime naturally. Let it fizz for a bit, then rinse with hot water. And hey, don't overload your disposal with tough stuff like bones or fibrous veggies. Those are a nightmare to clear. Finally, keep the water running while using the disposal. That keeps everything moving smoothly and prevents backups. One of the biggest mistakes people make with garbage disposals not draining properly is ignoring regular cleaning. This makes buildup worse and clogs happen faster, so set a routine. Another common issue is trying to grind stuff that's too hard or stringy, which jams the blades. Fix this by only putting soft scraps in and tossing the rest in the trash. The third problem is skipping the drain line check when things back up. Often, the clog isn't in the disposal itself but further down the pipe. Remove the trap and clear out any blockage right away to avoid bigger plumbing headaches. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without wasting time scrolling through endless reviews. Plus, it's great for contractors looking to connect with real clients and grow their business easily.